If we want to edit those images from over here, we simply have to click on them. Then we can see that we are in the image widget. They are the same settings as I've shown you over here. But as we can see, if we are scrolling over here, those images are moving. If I'm clicking on any of those images and go to Advanced and over here to Motion Effect, we can see that it set some scrolling effects and to vertical scroll effect. That's why we have this effect. We can also see that we have this space over here. By clicking on this image and stay in Advanced, we can see at the layout that we have padding set to pixel to 60 pixels. That's why we have the space over there. So now I'm going to leave the same tutorial for the image widget as I've shown you over here. Then we are in the image widget. We have the image settings over here. We can click over here in order to change the image, like so. We can also edit with AI by clicking over here. We can use those settings to edit the image that we already have, or click over here to generate a new image with a prompt. Then we have image resolution from over here, if we want the caption and if we want a link. Like a custom URL, we can paste the link over here. By clicking on this link, we can have the link to open in a new window. We can also use dynamic tags if we want to. By going to Style, we have the alignment options over here, the width, maximum width, and the height. Then we have object fit, like so, and the object position. So, we also have option for opacity, CSS filters if we want to, options for border if we want to, like the border type from over here, the border width from over here if we want to, the color from over here, and the border radius if we want to from over here. And we also have options for box shadow, the color from over here, with the opacity from over here, the horizontal distance, the vertical distance, the blur, and the spread. We can always click on this icon over here to go back to default. And by going to Advanced, we have margins and paddings.